So good day, ma'am. I would like to share my experiences about the changes of myself for how many years, including my childhood, and also how biomedical and psychological perspective shape my identity. So, as I experience of self-discovery has been revealing how both biomedical and psychological perspectives contribute to the intricate formation of my gender identity. So for how many past years, including my childhood era, I interacted with different people to socialize, to make connection with others who share similar experiences. So I've come to understand that gender is not a fixed point, but it is a spectrum of experiences and expression. So I've been careful of what I did in order to not to hurt someone's feeling, or especially the girls. So the biomedical perspective provides a foundation, while the psychological perspective allow for growth, evolution, and having a deeper understanding of multifaceted nature of gender identity, and reshape how you see yourself, how you express yourself, and how you connect with the society. I've learned that gender isn't just about the body, but it is also refers about your feelings, what you believe, and who you want to be.